Hello, hello, I'm Erin. I'm so glad you scanned on this QR code. If you're with me now, this must mean you've gotten yourself a copy of the workbook and you're interested in using the videos as you go through your learning. I'm pretty psyched about that because it's nice that the workbook can offer you ways to learn if you prefer to read or if you prefer to listen, right? You can do either. So sometimes as you work through the workbook, you'll find a QR code. You can scan it. It will go to a YouTube video on the same topic. These will not be videos that I recorded specifically with the YouTube page. These will be videos that bring up other examples and kind of extend the learning a little bit. And they help you if you would rather hear me explain the concept out loud versus reading it in the workbook. So keep your eye out for these QR codes. I'm glad we've kind of met on this first video. You're also always welcome to ask questions by leaving a comment on a video. So maybe you're looking through, you're on page 34, goes with a video, you have a question on the exercises on page 34, drop a question on the comment of that video. I'm always watching and answering those each day, so I'll get back to you and we can kind of have a little bit of a back and forth. This is why I wanted to include videos with the workbook so that it's a little more dynamic and interactive, and we can even reach out and comment with each other and get in touch. So thanks for getting the workbook. I hope you really enjoy it and find it empowering. I'm hoping it'll help you build confidence in writing, as well as a lot of amazing strategies that can really help you meet your goals, get promoted, build relationships, whatever your goals might be. All right, so thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.